Indian men are not yet trained to keep their emotions in their pants when they see women in bikini. Right? Now that one comment got a lot of shit.
Attraction.
Yeah, a lot of flack and shit, right? Aisa nahi and all of that. But to support this, there was an entirely different thread where this guy is like, I took my Indian ass to a beach where I saw a lot of Indian women in bikinis and I could manage to get out of it without getting a boner. So like it or not, है तो सही.
वैसे मैंने कभी पता है मैंने इस लेंस से कभी सोचा ही नहीं इस पॉइंट से पहले कि जब हम लोग ऐसे बिकिनीज पहन के जाते हैं बाहर तो लड़कों के लिए शायद कितना ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट होगा अपने स्पीडो में उस चीज़ को अपनी हैप्पीनेस को या अपनी एक्साइटमेंट को या अपने रिएक्शन को कंटेन करना. चलिए मेरा सेट लगा दीजिए.
Chalo, can we shoot please? I am ready.
I'm Sadhika.
I'm Radhika. So this is 2015,
Okay.
right? I'm in college and there's a trip planned to Goa, right? All college.
College students and friends.
All like 3-4 colleges together planned this trip and obviously we're very excited. Going to Goa for the third time but first time with friends. And I've always been very bold. So I packed a few bikinis along with me. And I wore them, right? And there's this very famous influencer.
Influencer.
Yeah.
Kareena Kapoor.
Influencer. That. Yeah. So, no, but I think influencers are doing a good job and they're very, very important for the economy. But keep that aside. So, very loved influencer. She saw me in those bikinis and she kind of made a very big deal about it. Not obviously in front of me, but like she talked about that whole episode with her mom and that, Mama pata hai, isne aise kiya. And, like she was trying to find photos to show it to her and, like gossip about it properly. And 5 years later, the same influencer, after losing weight, is seen sporting bikinis, very low necks, right? And they're all about body positivity. So, I mean, it's just like, firstly, of course, there's a lot of hypocrisy, but then it's nice to see things changing because I totally believe that today, if she wouldn't be doing the same thing today, right? So that shift of perspective is nice, but the one who takes the fall at first really, has to go through shit. Speaking of the ones who took the fall first, I mean, Parveen Babi.
Oh yes, she was one of the first actresses.
Yes, Sharmila Tagore in that time, right? Zeenat Aman. These actresses wore bikinis and, they were legit, these topics were raised in the parliament.
Yeah, they were.
Right, this is against our culture and how can be women seen, wearing bikinis and half naked and ये हमारी सभ्यता नहीं है. तो शुरू में बहुत लोगों को objection हुई थी इस चीज़ से and argument कहीं ना कहीं ये भी था कि हमारी औरतें तो घूंघट पहनती हैं और हमने तो कभी शक्ल भी नहीं दिखाई and all of that, and now women are roaming around half naked. So I don't know if you know this, but there's a very interesting story behind the whole veil culture.
Okay.
Essentially, veil was never a part of a culture. Never. So if you look at any Krishna Radha Murti, any picture, like our goddesses were never seen in a veil. Never. Kabhi घूंघट था ही नहीं. So how did this come? So back in the day, when Hindus and Muslims were together and, Hindu women were attacked. And burqa was always a part of their culture. So Indian men, to protect their women, they asked them to cover their faces. So that those people couldn't tell the difference.
Oh.
कि कौन किसकी वाली है. So it was basically for protection and safety that women started to cover their heads and voluntarily. So their Indian men were not trying to be possessive or protective. They were just trying to be regressive, but protective, right? So actually it was for protection that this thing started, and slowly it became a part of a culture. So that is the story behind this veil thing. And I think I was like in 4th grade when my social science teacher in 4th grade back in the day told me this story.
Oh wow, I did not know this.
And for that matter, even blouses were never a part of Indian clothing.
That I know. That
है
a
ना?
lot of women back in the day, they would not wear a blouse, they would just drape the sari in a way that
Yeah.
क्या होता है, bosom.
हाँ.
That their breasts were covered. Yeah, but there was no
There was
concept
only
of a blouse
a
also.
single piece of clothing that would cover the entire body.
Yeah.
Blouses जैसी कोई चीज नहीं होती थी. And then when the Britishers invaded us, they saw it as very, very vulgar. And blouse, in fact, is it's an English word, right? It was never a Hindi word. It wasn't even in our vocabulary. So they were like कि इनको थोड़ा civilize करते हैं. और इनको, blouses were introduced, and now they are so advanced, and we are still there trying to fight all of these stereotypes and regressive attitude.
बट पता है, मतलब जैसे वही वाली चीज़ है that even with clothing, for example bikini also for that matter, I remember when Sharmila Tagore wore a bikini in one of her movies and everything, right? Of course it became an iconic moment because उस टाइम पे थोड़ी ये चीज़ें इतनी ज़्यादा normalized थी. अब तो we see everybody doing it. You know, her husband actually did not have any problem.
Yeah.
एंड मैं ये नहीं बोल रही कि बेंचमार्क ही होना चाहिए कि देखो देखो तुम्हारे पति को इससे प्रॉब्लम नहीं तो तुम जाके करो. मैं बस एक माइंडसेट की बात कर रही हूँ दैट यू नो कभी कभी यू कैन बी लिविंग इन विच एवर सेंचुरी, राइट, एंड पीपल मे नॉट हैव अ प्रॉब्लम विद इट, एंड समटाइम्स इवन इन द 21st century 22nd century you know people will just come up and have the problem with the most basic things.
Yeah.
तो उसमें तो उस चीज़ का कुछ नहीं कर सकते, बट इट वॉज वेरी रिफ्रेशिंग टू सी दैट you know, I think her husband had a very that kind of a reaction that, you know, it's good for her, she looked nice and she did what she had to do and everything. And Sharmila Tagore also had no, she was like कि मुझे पता ही नहीं था, मतलब मुझे किसी ने बोला पहनने के लिए, मैंने पहन लिया और फिर ख़त्म हो गई बात. And I think इतना simple होना चाहिए, but obviously नहीं है. And I remember my own story. I think for a lot of us, and I think you'll relate to this, wearing bikini was never, oh my god, let's wear a bikini. It was simply कि भाई swimsuit, right? अब तुम one piece पहनो, अब तुम two piece पहनो या जो भी पहनो, it's a swimming suit that you will wear. वो अलग बात है कि इंडिया में तो most Indian families में the women and the men go into the pools fully clothed. You know, you see men with shorts and t-shirts and you see women with literally anything go into the pool. So यहाँ पे वो है ही नहीं कि वो, you know, swimming pool etiquette क्या होता है. But so I wore a bikini and I think we went on the same Goa trip. हम दोनों same Goa trip पे थे.
That was the other one. That was the next one.
That was the next trip. But yes, it was one other Goa trip that we went to. एंड वापस आए और फोटोज़ अपलोड कर दी. ऑफ कोर्स उस टाइम पे इंस्टाग्राम बहुत ज़्यादा प्राइवेट था, ठीक है, एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ ओके नॉर्मल. आई डोंट नो कैसे क्या, मतलब मेरा भाई भी उस वक्त मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे होता था, तो उसने मेरी वो वाली फ़ोटोज़ देख ली, उसको कुछ तो यू नो लाइक वो चिढ़ गया इस चीज़ से, उसने मेरे मॉम डैड को दिखा दी. एंड आई रिमेंबर वी हैड दिस इंटायर राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस, राइट, मतलब ऐसा लग रहा था कि 3 people आर इंटेरोगेटिंग दिस one girl. एंड यार ऑब्वियसली कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं कि तुम्हें पता है कि यार इसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है, बट नॉनदलेस तुम ये नहीं चाहते कि तुम्हारे पापा को कोई जाके ये चीज़ें दिखा दे, राइट. तो भाई उस दिन तो जो मेरी क्लास लगाई है ना मेरे पापा ने, एंड उनका POV यही था कि यार अभी you're too young, and he had a very, you know, safety kind of a POV that listen, you're too young and no father wants to see their girl, you know, grow up and realize कि अच्छा ठीक है, now she's at a certain age where men around her or you know boys around her will be interested. And I think the same sentiment kicked in for my brother also. तो वो मैंने उस टाइम पे फिर वो फोटोज डिलीट कर दी. बट उसके बाद ना we came to a point where we had a very healthy discussion that listen, I understand गोवा में जाना है, बीच पे जाना है, बाहर जाना है, you know, it's swimwear, so you have to wear it, do whatever, just don't put photos. And that was from a very fatherly place, so that I respect.
Yeah, so speaking of right and wrong and healthy discussion and समझना चीज़ों को, back in the day we were kids, we were rebellious, we thought that everything that we thought was right was actually right. But you know, as you grow old, you realize that parents are not wrong. They're not wrong. They're just looking out for us. It doesn't even mean कि उनकी सोच छोटी है. They just want the best for us, and as we grow old, we are doing the same thing, right? As women today, like अगर मैं बाहर हूँ, out of India, I'll be very comfortable wearing a bikini. But in India, I will purposely
Filter out.
Yeah, you know, you do that. And the other day we were talking about this ना कि सही गलत is very subjective.
हाँ.
Parents अपनी जगह सही होते हैं और हम अपनी जगह सही होते हैं. We are like, it's my body. I should be allowed to wear whatever I want,
Yes.
right? And parents, because they understand that you have to live in the same society, there are a lot of things that go around. The max that they can do is they'll tell you wear whatever you want. don't post pictures.
कि मतलब दूसरों को मत दिखाओ because
Right.
हाँ और मेरे ना आई वाज सिटिंग विद दिस वन कॉमेडियन, उसका नाम है प्रत्युष चौबे. बहुत डिफरेंट कॉन्टेक्स्ट में वो वाली चीज़ बोल रहे थे. वो कह रहे थे कि यार हम तो बड़े होके अपने उस गांव से निकल गए और हम शहरों में आके जी रहे हैं, बट हमारे पेरेंट्स को तो उसी सोसाइटी में रहना है ना. हमारे पेरेंट्स का डेली उठना बैठना उन लोगों के साथ है जो उनको रोज़ फ़ोन करके बोल रहे देखो देखो तुम्हारा लड़का क्या कर रहा है, देखो देखो इसने लव मैरिज कर ली. सो आई डू अंडरस्टैंड देयर सेंटिमेंट. ऑफ कोर्स वी डोंट लिव इन दैट काइंड ऑफ रिग्रेसिव सोसाइटी राइट नाउ इन सिटीज़ जहाँ पे लोग फ़ोन करके बोल रहे हैं. बट भाई वो भी हुआ है. आई हैव हैड लिटरली फैमिली फ्रेंड्स कॉल अप माई मदर राइट एंड टेल हर दैट लिसन यू नो बुलबुल ने तो ये वाली फ़ोटो अपलोड कर दी और ये वाली चीज़ डाल दी. एंड देन माई मदर इज़ लाइक कि उनको तो वो चुप करवा देती है, बट वो एक वन ऑन वन कॉन्फ्रंटेशन ज़रूर होती है कि भाई देखो सोच समझ के यू नो गैम्बल सोच समझ के उतना करो जितना हम सह पाएँ, उतना मत करो जितना हमसे हाथ से निकल जाए.
No, I totally agree. See, back in the day, for example, as we're like young kids are very, very open about their relationships, right? 2 months into the relationship, you know, your pictures, your kissing
You're
pictures, your
announcing.
cuddly pictures are all over social media and you don't have a care in the world. And then as you grow older, there's a reason why people become more and more private about their relationships because you understand what the stake is. Because no, like some things are meant for privacy and that is how it should be. And I'm not saying that I'm against posting pictures. Like I would definitely do it. I would definitely at some point in my life when I know that I'll be in a position to not care about society, or my parents will be in a position where they wouldn't take any kind of offense. So I'm not saying that one shouldn't. I even, like we have in the past and we will in the future as well. But right now it's a very tricky space and a lot of women feel this way. And also, a lot of women have to pick where you can wear. Like bikinis, firstly, it's like, you know, we were talking about this, that it's okay for some women, but it's not okay for a whole other set of women, right? So, for example, a celebrity, a Disha Patni.
हाँ, Disha Patni wearing a bikini, nobody will judge
It's the
her.
norm.
Yeah,
You know,
because
that
people
is
will
what-
expect that out of her.
Right.
But if tomorrow we see a politician or a social activist wearing a bikini, suddenly हम ये नहीं देखेंगे कि यार वो भी तो लड़की है, वो भी तो सिर्फ चिल कर रही है, वो भी तो बीच साइड पे बैठी है या फिर पूल के पास बैठी है. हम उसकी बिकिनी इक्वेट करेंगे उसकी कॉम्पिटेंस के साथ, राइट? सडनली हर कॉम्पिटेंस विल बी इन क्वेश्चन. जबकि it's just what she's wearing, right? She still has the same brain and she's still doing whatever she's doing, but very well.
Yeah, so it's very, I don't know, it's very uncomfortable for me to see that why is it okay for certain people to wear it? Why a professor or even an IS officer for that matter or a teacher or a politician cannot be seen wearing a bikini? Because see, it's occasion wear, right? As long as a teacher is not showing up in the classroom in a bikini, it's fine. She's on a vacation. She's off work. She likes to wear it. She feels good when she's wearing it. And at the same time, she should be also allowed to post that on her social media because it's entirely her call, right? And it is not okay to judge a woman's character basis on what she wears. It's not cool. And by as women, we can vouch for it. You just feel a whole other person, you know, as Shalini Pasi said in her interview or what, I don't know. I just saw that reel where she's like, you know, when you change your clothes, you change your energy. And yes, that happens.
And it happens.
Yeah, you do feel like a Parvati when you are in a suit or a sari, and then you do feel like a Pooh when you're in a crop top and shorts or, you know, whatever. So when you're on a beach, right, there's a reason that bikinis are worn on a beach, and when you go to a mandir, you
Wear
go
a suit or a sari or whatever.
modest clothing, right? So when in Rome, do like the Romans. What is the problem with that? And see, itna to humko pata hai that bikinis is not entirely swimwear, because when we wear bikini, we are not going into the sea. We don't know how to swim in the sea.
I'm going for the Instagram photos, but
Yeah.
also
For
I'm
the feel
going,
good factor.
Yes, feel good factor. For example, my wardrobe, मतलब मेरा मूड मेरी वेकेशन पे कैसा होगा, स्पेशली इफ इट्स अ बीच वेकेशन, वो मैं वहाँ प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में नहीं डिसाइड करूँगी. वो एक हफ्ते पहले जब मैं अपना बैग पैक कर रही होती हूँ, जब मैं शॉपिंग करने जा रही होती हूँ, मेरा मूड तब से डिसाइड होता है. मेरा मूड हर आउटफिट के साथ चेंज होता है. बिकॉज एट नाइट इफ आई वांट टू गो फॉर अ फैंसी डिनर एंड यू नो आई वांट टू वेयर लॉन्ग ड्रेसेस और kaftan and everything, I'll behave in a certain way, right? But in the morning, if I want to wear a hat and, you know, take a, वो कौन सा वाला बैग होता है? a jute bag and I want to wear a sarong and I want to wear a bikini or a monokini and everything, then I'll behave in a certain way, right? So एंड ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें ना शायद लड़कों को नहीं आती हैं एक्चुअली में समझ के, नहीं इसको मतलब अगर सिर्फ पानी में पहन के तैरना है तुम्हें तो फिर तुम ये क्यों कर रहे हो, अरे इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट, इट जस्ट it matters how you feeling, what it makes you feel about your body. And also there have been times where I've been comfortable wearing a bikini because my body was like, okay, it's good, it's shapely and everything, but there have been times where I have had a little flab or something, right, and I'm not comfortable, so I will wear a whatever, a monokini, या फिर I will wear a cover up on it. And इसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है यार, I mean,
yes, it's not a functional wear, it is also an expression of fashion. It is an expression of you, right? And it makes you feel a certain way. And I absolutely love the fact that ये norm भी change हो रहा है. पहले क्या था? You have a good body, you can wear a bikini. If you have flaps, if you have those love handles, no, it's not for you, and you look vulgar when you wear it. And now I love the fact that women have stopped giving a fuck. Women don't care anymore. They're embracing their body. I mean, the only reason why a woman should work towards fitness is for health reasons.
I agree कि obesity नहीं होनी चाहिए, obesity, हाँ, obesity नहीं होनी चाहिए.
हाँ, तो right, you shouldn't work on getting slimmer because you want to be loved or because you can't love your body the way it is. You want to be healthy, and it's as long as you're healthy, it's fine, right? So I love the fact that women are not giving a care in the world about how they look and what is the size of their thigh, right? And they're still wearing bikinis and they're still wearing whatever they want, and that's good, yeah. That's really good.
Yes, and stretch marks also. For example,
Yeah.
a lot of women don't wear bikinis because they feel कि यार वो जो stretch marks दिखते हैं ना, people will be like, oh my god, they'll shame me for it and everything. I saw this one reel, पता नहीं वो किस लड़की की थी, उस पे ना उस लड़की ने, so she's an editor also, graphic editor. It was such a beautiful post. It was a woman on a bikini reading a book on the sunbed. ठीक है, और उसके यहाँ से it was a side profile, so a lot of her stretch marks were visible. She had added like, almost like stars from the galaxy in all of those stretch marks. So they were glowing, and it was just a representation of, yaar, fuck it, yaar, it's okay. So what if you have a scar? So what if a pregnant woman after delivering a child chooses to wear a bikini? तो क्या हो गया अगर scar दिख रहा है cesarean का? क्या फर्क पड़ता है? As long as you're comfortable with it.
And speaking of like women wearing bikinis and all, you also have to tread very carefully around where to wear it, right? Because in your teens, you're sort of rebellious, right? And you don't really care how many uncles are staring at you. You want to do it, you'll do it.
Yeah.
You'll just do it, right? You'll go against your parents, you'll go against the society and everything, right? And you'll do it. But as you grow old, you want to do the things you want, which both you and I want to do. But at the same time, you want to respect the place you're in, right? You want to respect everything else, and you also don't want to be glared at and made to feel uncomfortable, right? So there are genuinely some places in India where you can go and be very comfortable, right? Like, for example, South Goa. It's very secluded, right? Very few Indians are found there, mostly covered by foreigners. And the good thing about Goa is that the locals will never make you feel uncomfortable.
Yeah, because
they're
for them,
so used to it.
Yes, they've grown up with that sort of,
Right.
environment जहाँ पे everybody is so open and casual about what they're wearing, and nobody ogles, nobody stares. Similarly, there's this Om Beach in Gokarna.
Yeah.
That is also known that, you can go there, you can wear whatever, you can chill as women. Women have gone there and shared experiences that they really enjoyed.
There's Kadmat in Lakshadweep Islands.
Yes, that also I've heard. And there's one more. I think Make My Trip के founder ने उसके बारे में बात करी थी. There's Radhanagar Beach in Havelock Islands.
Very ironical to the name, huh?
Yes, Radhanagar Beach.
Yeah.
So I think these are really good beaches for women to actually go and experience. And maybe if you guys have, ever gone, then you can share your experiences with us.
So there was this girl, ठीक है, she's like, hey, I've moved to, I don't know, America, Canada, whatever, ठीक है, तो NRI बन गई है वो, ठीक है, तो 2-3 साल बाद she comes to India and she's like, हम लोग तो vacation लेते हैं time spend करने के लिए, so I went to Maldives because cheaper tickets, cheaper hotels, right, and all of that. And मैंने वहाँ पे देखा कि अब बहुत ज़्यादा लड़कियाँ बिकिनी पहनने लग गई हैं, तो clearly, like India's evolving and all of that. So, but ऐसा है क्या? And then, then there were some women who were feeling uncomfortable and क्या चल रहा है? What is the scene? Right? So, there was this thread, it was so funny. so a lot of people like नहीं अभी हम ready नहीं हैं या अभी generational shift हो रहा है. Then there was this other guy who was like नहीं, there's this other women. It's like it's happening but it's slow because Indian men are not yet trained to keep their emotions in their pants when they see women in bikini. Right now that one comment got a lot of shit.
attraction.
Yeah, a lot of flack and shit, right? ऐसा नहीं है and all of that. But to support this, there was an entirely different thread where this guy is like, कि हाँ, I took my Indian ass to a beach where I saw a lot of Indian women in bikinis and I could manage to get out of it without getting a boner. So like it or not, है तो सही.
वैसे मैंने कभी पता है मैंने इस लेंस से कभी सोचा ही नहीं इस पॉइंट से पहले कि जब हम लोग ऐसे बिकिनीज पहन के जाते हैं बाहर तो लड़कों के लिए शायद कितना ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट होगा अपने स्पीडो में उस चीज़ को अपनी हैप्पीनेस को या अपनी एक्साइटमेंट को या अपने रिएक्शन को कंटेन करना. इनफैक्ट कितनी बारी ऐसे होता है कि हम लोग वेकेशन पे गए हैं एंड ऑफ कोर्स हमारे दोस्त भी साथ में हैं एंड ऑफ कोर्स लड़की भी दोस्त है लड़के भी दोस्त हैं और कितनी बार ये होता है कि ताकि एक अंकल हमें बिकिनी में ना देख ले हम अपने मेल फ्रेंड को बोलते हैं कि तू टाल पकड़ के यहाँ तक रख जब तक मैं पानी में एकदम अंदर ना चली जाऊँ, राइट? बट उसको तो एग्जैक्टली उसको तो पूरा व्यू मिल रहा है बेचारे को. सो उसके लिए तो सबसे बड़ा धर्म संकट ही वही होता होगा कि अगर थिन लाइन कि अगर मैंने जरा सा भी ज़्यादा देर लिंगर कर लिया कुछ कर लिया तो मैं बन गया क्रीप, फिर मैं आउट हो गया.
ठीक है, आइडियल सिचुएशन तो नहीं है बट वो हो जाएगा, नॉर्मलाइज हो जाएगा धीरे धीरे. आई थिंक it's a shift that's happening.
हाँ, आई थिंक एज भी पता है कहीं ना कहीं फैक्टर है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई वॉज वेरी कम्फर्टेबल, आई थिंक आई एम स्टिल कम्फर्टेबल बट ओनली टू अ डिग्री टू वेयर अ स्विम सूट
In front of whom?
इन फ्रंट ऑफ एनीबडी, मतलब अंकल के सामने तो नहीं, पर जैसे जब वेकेशंस पे जाते हैं एक टाइम था जब मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं सोचती थी, राइट? ऐसे वो यूल बाय मोनोकिनीज यहाँ से भी कटा हुआ है यहाँ से भी कटा हुआ है एंड बैकलेस एंड प्लंज नेक्स एंड एवरीथिंग एंड नाउ यूर अ लिटिल मोर कंजर्वेटिव. नाउ आई स्पेंड अ लॉट मोर टाइम ऑन द कवर अप्स कि कवर अप्स ज़्यादा स्मार्ट होने चाहिए. इसका क्या है, इसमें तो एकदम पानी में एकदम ही अंदर जाके उतारूंगी. सो आई थिंक it's also because now I'm a little older, so now I'm a little less comfortable, but at the same time I'm comfortable with what I'm wearing.
Yeah. अरे इसमें ना your own age is a factor. The age of the people around you is also a very big factor. So there's this couple who went to Bali and they were sharing this story कि अपनी खुद की स्टोरी दैट हाउ दे वर मेड टू फील वेरी अनकम्फर्टेबल जस्ट बिकॉज दे वर ओल्डर पीपल अराउंड, राइट? सो ये लोग गए एंड वो कपल अपना एंजॉय कर रहे हैं और लड़का अपना एक्सपीरियंस डॉक्यूमेंट कर रहा है. उसकी ही वॉज एन इंडियन, उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड ऑस्ट्रेलियन थी एंड दे वर जस्ट चिलिंग इन बाली एंड ही वाज लाइक कि till the time there were young people around us, they are minding their own business, we are minding our own business. It was actually fun. But the moment there were slightly older people and there were those glares and glances, right? तो उनको they started feeling
ऐसे वाला
they started feeling weird. So I think this is also एक चीज़, ये एक फैक्टर होता है.
वही वाली बात है ना कि जैसे बहुत सारी लड़कियां उन लोगों को फैमिलीज के अराउंड सिगरेट पीते हुए बहुत शर्म आएगी बिकॉज उनको पता है कि हो थू हो वो वाली चीज़ होती है. बट दोस्तों के सामने कॉलेज में जाओ, यू सी बतेरी women on a पान टपरी smoking a cigarette. Similarly, in front of a kid, you don't want to be drinking alcohol or you don't want to set a bad example. I really think it's a very very bad idea to compliment a guy's woman anywhere. चाहे in that couple story you told me ना, मतलब अगर एक couple है and even if you do like you do find his partner beautiful, I mean, don't sign your own death wish, right?
I think
cool.
I'm okay to be complimented in front of my
but,
guy.
But would
because
your
that would
be okay?
suddenly my ego will be here, right?
और लड़के की ego will be here because he won't know. अच्छा.
नहीं, but not when I'm in a bikini. That is the catch.
But
that is the catch. Don't compliment me in front of my guy when I'm in a bikini. Compliment me in a lehenga or a sari or proper clothing. But obviously, if I'm being complimented wearing a bikini by a guy in front of my guy, it's going to be awkward.
Obviously, यार, more than awkward because पता है लड़का क्या करे उस मोमेंट में. लड़का ये सोचे कि मतलब मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा एक्ट आउट करके कुछ बोल दिया तो लड़की को लगेगा कि मैं कितना अग्रेसिव हूँ या फिर मैं कंफर्टेबल नहीं हूँ या फिर मैं माइंड करता हूँ, और लड़के ने कुछ भी नहीं बोला. सो द गर्ल हैज चांसेस ऑफ थिंकिंग दैट ही इज अ वुस. सो उसके लिए तो वो बीच का बैलेंस क्या होगा वो मेंटेन करना कितना डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा ना. एंड ही हैज़ योर पार्टनर प्रीवियसली व्हेनेवर यू बीन इन अ रिलेशनशिप, हैज़ योर पार्टनर एवर हैड प्रॉब्लम्स विद यू वेयरिंग अ बिकिनी?
I think they also had the same thing my parents had to say.
कि पेन लोड पोस्ट मत करो.
हाँ, Like wear it when I'm around.
देख पेरेंट्स अगर ये चीज़ बोल रहे हैं ना कि नहीं नहीं पहन लो बट फोटो मत डालो, वो एक बहुत डिफरेंट माइंडसेट के, वो प्योर माइंडसेट के साथ बोल रहे हैं कि चल ठीक है हमारी बच्ची पे कल को उंगली ना उठाए कोई, हम पे ना उठाए. बट अगर लड़का ये कह रहा है कि ओनली वेयर इट व्हेन आई एम अराउंड, सो आई एम सॉरी, ही इज नॉट लुकिंग आउट फॉर यू, ही इज लुकिंग आउट फॉर हिमसेल्फ. क्योंकि उसे ये चाहिए कि ये लड़की अगर मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड अगर किसी और के सामने ऐसे बिकिनी या 2 पीस या 1 पीस पहन के घूमेगी, सो प्रॉब्ली दूसरे लड़कों को वो हॉट लगेगी, वो उस पर हिट करेंगे, मैं कहाँ पे चले जाऊंगा, उसको दैट्स इज इनसिक्योरिटी नॉट प्रोटेक्शन.
तो हॉट तो वो उसके साथ भी लग सकती है ना.
बट उसको ये वो चीज एक माइंडसेट होता है ना एक लड़के का कि यार जब तक मेरे साथ है तो मैं हूं ना प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए.
I'll tell you what, I think there's more to it. So I was talking to this guy and we entered into this zone, we entered into this conversation कि यार why is it okay कि लड़के जो मर्जी पहने, men can go and put bare chested pictures on Instagram and अगर लड़की करे तो लड़कों को दिक्कत होती है. Keep the patriarchy aside, keep everything else aside, ठीक है, आप मेरे को ये बताओ, keep the inequality aside, everything aside. So it's like, look Radhika, you women are nice creatures. You look at a bare-chested guy, you like hot. You like the photo, that's it. खत्म हो गई बात. Like when a guy looks at your photo, he goes to bed thinking about it. We don't want that for our women, right? Because हमें पता है हम कितने गलीचे हैं. We know how other men also think, right? So we don't want any guy looking at your picture, zooming it in,
And they do zoom
right?
in.
Zooming it in, analyzing your entire body, and be like, fuck yeah, she's too hot, and what if she was mine? And then they'll objectify you, and like men, if they actually open up with you, they agree that yes, when they are talking to their daughters and their sisters or even their girlfriends, then they'll be like, yes, all men.
Yes.
जब पटा रहे होते हैं, they're like, not all men,
हाँ,
but then they're like, all men. So, well, there's more to it, well, like definitely, but anyway, हाँ, तो by the way, I read this very viral post on Instagram, and I think it was very sweet, controversial opinion. So there was this girl, she wanted to wear a bikini. I think she was an Islamic
Okay.
religion. Like she was a Muslim girl, and she wanted to wear a bikini, and it's not allowed, right? And their men are very protective and possessive. So the guy bought an entire island.
Just so that she could wear a bikini.
Yes.
Wow. I want love like that.
This is a very controversial vow that we have, but yeah, wow. है ना?
नहीं, but keeping everything aside, just imagine कि just कि वो चीज पहन पाए. I think I'm seeing the gesture behind it.
Exactly.
The emotion.
That is what I'm
behind
saying.
it.
It's very controversial. Like we ideally shouldn't be vowing over it, but yes, wow. Even
यहाँ
my life
लड़के
chose that. कि
अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को बिकिनी खरीद के नहीं देने के लिए राजी, वहाँ पे एक बंदे ने आइलैंड खरीद लिया उसके लिए. Yeah, I think we're hanging out with around the wrong people, Radhika.
I think we need to go to Dubai then. No. You want a man buying an island for you, you'll have to go to Dubai for that.
No, but he'll think he's bought more than just an island.
So I think
Fast forward their
bikini is a
process.
fantastic thing to wear. Not only as a functional garment, but also as a fashion garment. Bhai, it is an expression of fashion. It makes you feel sexy. It makes you want to embrace your body more, right? And bhai, there are brands spending millions on coming up with really good designs, and for fuck's sake, we are women, men are very sad people, they don't have enough options. We have so many options to pick from, colors and silhouettes and for body types. So I think women should wear bikini because only women can understand that it really does make you feel in a certain way. It makes you feel sexy, it makes you feel hot,
confident.
yeah. So wear it, but given the complexities of our environment, like just be mindful of where to wear it, how to wear it, and all of that.
Yes. Also, I remember, bhai, when all of us saw Priyanka Chopra coming out in that golden bikini, right? In that song in Dostana.
Dostana.
Oh my God. All of us wanted that. All of us wanted, मतलब एक तो वो उस टाइम पे हुआ था, दूसरा जब करीना कपूर अपने size 0 वाले उसमें आई थी ना, वो छलिया वाला song आया था. How many
times I have imagined myself, the number of times I have imagined myself coming out of seawater.
Yes.
And Chalia is playing in the background. And I have actually bought a golden bikini, and it's there in my wardrobe for the last 5 years.
Oh, 5 years.
Oh
my God.
5 years. When I was in Milan, मैंने तब ली थी, and I still haven't worn it because I'm waiting to be in the right shape and in the right place, and for you to get better at your photography skills so that you can actually make a video that is deserving of
Yes. और ऐसे बहुत कम एग्जाम्पल्स है, बट आई लव, यू नो, लाइक आई लव्ड प्रियंका. आई फेल इन लव विद प्रियंका चोपड़ा. एज अ वुमन, I had a woman crush on her.
Bhai, she was the national crush for
And
like
God,
2-3
do I
years
want to
in
do
a row.
that? Yeah.
She was the national crush for 2-3 years in a row.
Yes.
Yeah.